guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing that simple, elegant look that I did on my How to Start a Beauty channel here on YouTube. I'm finally recreating that look for you guys, so if you guys want to see that, then definitely keep on watching. So I want to say first off, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is for you guys. Good morning for me. I am sitting here, just woke up not too long ago, drinking my fabulous coffee. And yeah, I've been getting a lot of requests on how to do that simple eye look that I did in my beauty channel. So I was like, you know what? I'm finally gonna sit down and film that for you guys. It's so weird because I feel like I'm just mostly like a review channel. I mean, like I do like tutorials like when I do my review, but like I feel like I'm mostly like just a review channel. So when you guys ask me to do tutorials, I'm like, what? You think I'm good enough to do tutorial? Like, how insane is that? So let's get started. So for the eye look, all I used was one simple eyeshadow palette, and it was the Lorac Unzipped Elegance palette. I actually purchased this back in January when this got released, and I had full intentions of doing a video on this look, but I just never did. You know what? I never even played with it until that video. Actually, I never even played with it until then. I just left it sitting here on my desk knowing that I wanted to play with it, and I just never got around to it. Why? Well, shit, I can't tell you why, but I didn't. I spent $25 on this and I just let it sit there. You know what's so funny is that I actually rushed ordered this because I went to my local Ulta, and my Ulta doesn't have a Lorac section anymore. I don't know why. They replaced it with NARS, I believe, and they're starting to roll out with Lacombe there and stuff like that. But I had to go to another Ulta, maybe like 25 minutes away from me, which is not a bad drive, sorry. Morning boogies. And I went over there and they had the palette, but at that point, my dumbass went ahead and ordered it from Ulta, and I wanted to be here before I went to Maine because I wanted to film it before I went to Maine. And yeah, it arrived the day I left for Maine. So I think that's why when I came back, I was like, meh, meh. So I'm now playing with it for you guys. Mornings are just mornings for me. I just spent the last 20 minutes taking care of my dog for throwing up. She was just throwing up because she had an upset stomach. It's been a morning. It's been a morning, and it's a long next 2 mornings for me. Alright, so what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to conceal our eyes. I mean, if you guys have eyeshadow primer, however you guys want to do it. I like to conceal my eyes because I do have an uneven eyelid base. Like, y'all, my eyelids are always darker than my actual, like, base. You guys get to see me first thing in the morning. Don't y'all feel blessed? I am so happy you guys are loving the vlog that me and Corey did on our new channel. I'm so excited to be doing that with you guys. Like, you guys have no idea like how exciting that is for me. I like the fact you guys like the fact that I fell asleep on the beach. Do you guys know how embarrassing that is, by the way? I'm not a big drinker, just never have been, but you know, occasionally I like to go have my fun, you know, who doesn't? And I know when you're here in Florida, it is so hot, okay? I don't even have to be drinking, I could pass out in the sun. Don't ask why, it happens. But if I am day drinking, like, you best believe I'll fall asleep. And it's so embarrassing because it's not even one of those cute sleeps either. It's one of the ones with your mouth like wide open. That is so embarrassing. I always do it in location that's like right in front of everybody, and it's so embarrassing because all my friends and Corey just let me sit there and sleep like that. Like, they let me sleep like that. That's so embarrassing because I feel like I look so stupid with my mouth wide open like that. So anyway, forgot what I was doing. Okay, so this is the Lorac palette. This is the Lorac palette. It says, get unzipped to tease with the Lorac Unzipped Eyeshadow Palette. Here in a sleek collection of 5 ultra rich shades, curated to create a wide range of looks, this symphonic quintet of silky, versatile, and multi-blendable shadows deliver natural to glam effects. It includes a dual-ended brush for seamless blending and definition, and this does retail for $25. At least when I purchased it, it did, but I'll have that all like linked down below. So, enough rambling on, let's go ahead and get into this eyeshadow look. This is the really cute eyeshadow palette. So pretty, right? The colors that I'm obsessed with are, here we have Iconic and Unattached. Horrible swatches, but I'm telling you, these are perfect. All right, so I'm actually gonna use this brush. I actually used this brush when I did this makeup look. I just found that it worked really well to create this makeup look, surprisingly enough. So, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna take this little side right here and I'm gonna dig into this color, Timeless, which is right here. It's like this beautiful, like cool tone plum color. Beautiful. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start to just place it right there in the crease. And it does not have to be blended out right now, guys. You just want to place down the shadow. You guys, I'm so excited because The Lion King comes out this Friday and I already have my tickets for it. I'm gonna cry like a little bitch. Seriously, I'm gonna cry. Such a beautiful color. Then I'm just gonna take Untouchable, this soft white, dip the little, well, this side, very, very lightly, and I'm just going to just buff this out, just so that it's not like a harsh line. So the next step is actually to Alright, so the next step is actually to conceal your eyes. Like I said, I just use this eyeshadow palette and this eyeshadow palette only. It's super easy, super elegant, and you don't even have to use this eyeshadow palette if you don't want to. You can literally just use whatever eyeshadow palette you want that has very similar colors. Like, it doesn't have to be this exact one. I think this is like a really pretty, elegant eyeshadow palette for sure. That's why it's called Elegance. Alright, so I'm going to go back into my palette. I'm going to go into the color Timeless one more time. And I'm just going to go right back and go over the edges in case there's like any like harsh concealer line. And just to darken it up just a tad bit. Because, you know, I am not a pro at cut creases. So I just want to have a little bit of that like plum gray color showing through. Alright, so then the next step, we're going to go into this color Undefiable. Which is like this shimmery like purple, shimmery purple. And I'll put it right here for you guys. So pretty, right? I'm gonna take it on my finger and I'm actually just going to tap it at the edge right here, at the outer corner. Now you can still take the same brush that you did the, you know, cut crease with. Oh my god, I'm totally blinking. You can totally take that same brush and tap it right here. It's okay if it gets a little messy because obviously when you go and do your foundation and stuff like that, you're gonna clean that all up. Okay, so now that that color's laid down, we're gonna go into this color Unattached right here. And we're actually gonna place it right next to the Undefiable color. Right here. Look at that beautiful color. I'll take a little bit of that concealer brush and just kind of blend the two together. All right, and then once that color's laid down, you're gonna go into this color Iconic, and it truly is iconic. And you're gonna put it right here. So pretty. So iconic, I love it. Then the last step, super easy. We're gonna go back into the color Timeless right here. And we're actually gonna put that under the waterline. And And then all we have to do is throw on a pair of mascara, liner, and lashes, and that is how you complete the eye look. You can also do an inner corner, like with your highlight, you can put like a little inner corner dot. Like I usually like to do that because I feel like it just makes my eyes pop. But it's such a pretty easy look to do. Literally just using one simple palette. And you know, like I said, you don't have to have this palette. You can use any palette out there. The best part is that this palette has a little kick up, not too bad, and barely any fallout on the face. This is actually my first time using anything from Lorac. I love it. Yeah, and that's it, guys, on how to create this look. But I'm obviously going to finish it off. So the only thing I did differently, is that in that video, oh god, eye boogies. In that video, I put on a pair of the Lily lashes, and I put on black eyeliner. I think I'm gonna do something a little differently today. I don't really feel like putting on lashes just because I know a lot of you guys out there do struggle with putting on lashes. Trust me, still struggle for myself. I've gotten a lot of requests to do a lash tutorial video, and I'm gonna be really real with you guys. I don't want to make one of those videos because I'm not comfortable with it yet. Like, I can put on lashes and I get the basics of it down, but I still struggle with it. Like, don't think that I don't. And it does take me a while still, and I would just not feel comfortable trying to teach you guys something when I'm still in the process of being a beginner learning myself. But I do recommend checking out Raw Beauty Chrissy's or Nakia Joy. They have wonderful tutorials on their eyelashes. I'll even put that down below, like how to do false lashes. They have great videos on that, but I definitely recommend checking this out. But I think for today, like I said, I did put on eyelashes in that video. I think I'm just gonna bypass eyelashes today. I think I'm just gonna go with more of a simple, elegant look, something that everybody out there can do. I'm just gonna throw on mascara, and I think I might forego the black liner as well. I think I'm gonna put on white liner as well, so it makes my eyes look not as tired. And yeah, guys, I'll be right back with the finished look.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved.
Alright guys, and this is the final look. Like I said, something super basic, super easy. I don't exactly know if I'm wearing the same exact lip. I kind of switched it up a little bit, but it is what it is. Like I said, this look is so easy to create. It's very elegant. It's very beautiful. I switched it up by putting on no lashes this time. I'm using a white liner instead of putting on lashes and a black liner, and I still think this is a very gorgeous, like, simple, easy, elegant look that you guys can recreate yourself using seriously just one simple palette, literally one palette. And as much as I love my bling brushes, trust me, I want to be using those. This little brush did pretty much everything. So it's such a fun palette. I know that it's still out there. I want to say it's $25. I believe it's $25, but I'll have it like listed down below. But this is such a really gorgeous, beautiful, elegant palette, and yeah, I wanted to create the look for you. I don't really have too much else to say except it's really gorgeous, super easy to follow. I hope I was able to teach you guys how to follow along with me. Like I said, I'm not the best at tutorials. I feel like I'm better off just like reviewing personally. I don't know, I feel like I'm not like the best teacher. I'm trying to be, but I still think this is a really gorgeous look. Either way you guys want to wear it, like, and like I said, you don't have to have this palette. You guys can just have any sort of, like, you know, plum cool tone colors with grays, silvers. Like, you guys can recreate this look using any palette out there that has that color to it, so you don't have to have this one. But yeah guys, that was my short little tutorial for you guys. I really hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 2 videos a week. Also, don't forget to go check out my other channel, Our Florida Life. And as always guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Good morning, Bobbies. Good morning. Good morning. Oh god, my battery's already dying. What? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to, I always figure out, I don't know how to get this started. Created to create a wide